Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Only. Welcome to our English practice. Today, we learn simple English. We talk slowly. We speak clearly. This lesson is for daily life. We talk about family. We also talk about getting ready for work and school. These topics are very common. You can use them every day. Do not worry. We use easy words. We repeat many times. You can listen. You can speak with us. You can feel calm. You can feel confident. Let us start this lesson together.
Hello, my name is Sarah. In this lesson, we are at home in the morning. It is a normal day. We talk about family members. We talk about parents, children, and daily life. We also talk about preparing for work and school. We wake up, we eat breakfast, we get ready. We talk slowly. We use simple English. This is a safe place to practice. Let us begin the conversation now.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. Only. I am fine, thank you. How are you, Mr. Only?
I am well, Sarah. Thank you for asking. Are you at home now, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. I am at home. I am in the kitchen.
That is good, Sarah. Is your family at home with you?
Yes, Mr. Only. My family is at home. My mother is here. My father is here. My brother is here too.
I see, Sarah. Is your mother cooking now?
Yes, Mr. Only. My mother is cooking breakfast. She is making eggs and bread.
That sounds nice, Sarah. Is your father eating breakfast now?
No, Mr. Only. My father is not eating yet. He is reading the news.
Okay, Sarah. What about your brother? Is he awake?
Yes, Mr. Only. My brother is awake. He is brushing his teeth.
Good, Sarah. Is your brother going to school today?
Yes, Mr. Only. He is going to school today.
Are you going to work today, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. I am going to work today.
What time do you go to work, Sarah?
I go to work at 9 o'clock, Mr. Only.
That is clear, Sarah. What time does your brother go to school?
He goes to school at 8 o'clock, Mr. Only.
So you are both getting ready now, Sarah.
Yes, Mr. Only. We are both getting ready.
What do you do first in the morning, Sarah?
First, Mr. Only, I wake up. Then I wash my face.
After that, Sarah, what do you do?
After that, Mr. Only, I brush my teeth.
Do you eat breakfast, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, I eat breakfast every morning.
Do you eat breakfast with your family, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, we eat together at the table.
That is very nice, Sarah. What do you talk about at breakfast?
We talk about our day, Mr. Only. We talk about work and school.
Do you talk about your plans, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, we talk about our plans.
Does your mother go to work, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, my mother goes to work too.
What does your mother do, Sarah?
She works in an office, Mr. Only.
And your father, Sarah? Does he go to work?
Yes, Mr. Only, my father goes to work in the morning.
What time does he leave the house, Sarah?
He leaves at 7:30, Mr. Only.
That is early, Sarah. Does he prepare his bag?
Yes, Mr. Only, he prepares his bag every night.
That is a good habit, Sarah. Do you prepare your bag at night?
Sometimes, Mr. Only, but often I prepare it in the morning.
What do you put in your bag, Sarah?
I put my phone, my keys, and my lunch, Mr. Only.
Do you make your lunch at home, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. My mother helps me make lunch.
That is kind of her, Sarah. Does your brother take lunch to school?
Yes, Mr. Only. He takes lunch too.
Is your brother ready now, Sarah?
Not yet, Mr. Only. He is putting on his shoes.
Are you wearing your work clothes, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. I am wearing my work clothes now.
Do you feel ready, Sarah?
Almost ready, Mr. Only. I need my jacket.
Where is your jacket, Sarah?
It is near the door, Mr. Only.
Good, Sarah. Does your family help each other in the morning?
Yes, Mr. Only. We help each other.
Can you give an example, Sarah?
My mother reminds us of the time, Mr. Only.
That is helpful, Sarah. Does your father help too?
Yes, Mr. Only. He drives my brother to school.
That is very good, Sarah. How do you go to work?
I take the bus, Mr. Only.
What time do you leave the house, Sarah?
I leave at 8:30, Mr. Only.
Do you feel busy in the morning, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. The morning is busy, but it is okay.
Do you like mornings, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only. I like mornings with my family.
That is nice to hear, Sarah. Are you ready to leave now?
Yes, Mr. Only. I am ready now.
Please say goodbye to your family, Sarah.
Goodbye, family. See you later.
Have a good day, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. You too. Now I explain some sentences. We said good morning. Good morning is for the start of the day. We asked, how are you? This is polite. We talked about family. Family means mother, father, brother, and more. We used simple present tense. For example, I go to work. He goes to school. This is common English. Now let us practice with short talks. Good morning, Mr. Only. Are you ready for work?
Yes, Sarah, I am ready for work.
Do you eat breakfast at home, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, I eat breakfast with my family.
Another small practice. Mr. Only, is your sister at home?
Yes, Sarah, my sister is at home.
Is she going to school today, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah, she is going to work.
We can also talk about time. Mr. Only, what time do you leave the house?
I leave the house at 8 o'clock, Sarah.
Do you feel ready in the morning, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, I feel ready.
Now another example. Mr. Only, who makes breakfast in your family?
My mother makes breakfast, Sarah.
Do you help her, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, I help her.
These sentences are easy. You can change the names. You can change the place. You can talk about your own family. Practice slowly. Repeat the sentences.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You did well. Keep speaking English every day.
Yes, thank you. You are doing great. Practice at home. Practice in the morning.
We believe in you.
See you next time.